It's shaking.
There's a horn and off. Good start. Jerry LaRue looks strong off of one. Here he goes, a wily old veteran, and he's going to go out there and hit the track first, and here he goes. And right beside him on the inside, and on the outside, we got Norm Sinclair, and followed by Leonard Arcan. But it is Jerry LaRue on the rail. But on the outside of him, running in the middle of the track with Norm Sinclair with a Flying S Ranch. And following him running third, we got Leonard Arcan with the Muskeg Lake First Nation. And on the backstretch now, still Jerry LaRue hanging on to that rail for dear life as they go to the third corner. Three wagons practically side by side, and here they come around the corner, but it looks like Norm Sinclair is taking a little bit of a lead now, but watch out. He still has that rail. He still has the rail. The wily old veteran, Jerry LaRue's got the rail, but here they come, three wagons down the lane together. We're going to have a real race to the end. Here they come. To the line. On the far outside, it's going to be Leonard Arcan, Norm Sinclair, and Jerry LaRue, a hard charging third.